Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file in the appropriate app. For Word, use Desktop Word. For PDF, use a reader with inspection tools. For HTML, open a code editor. Once done, enable options that reveal hidden content like formatting marks, show non-printing characters, or view source code. Make sure to work on a copy to avoid accidental data loss. These first steps let you see where hidden text might live, in formatting, white font, comments, layers, or within markup. Next, you perform targeted inspection actions depending on format. In Word, toggle the paragraph marks and inspect styles and track changes. Look for white text or hidden font settings. In PDF, use the Object Inspector or Accessibility View to list hidden layers and form fields. For web pages, open Developer Tools, search for elements with display, none, or visibility, hidden, and uncheck those rules to reveal text. While doing this, make sure you search for comments, zero-size elements, and off-screen positioning that hide content. To finish, copy any revealed text into a new document so you preserve the original file. Then fix the hiding mechanism. Change font color, remove display, none, or accept track changes so text stays visible. Save with a clear file name and verify visibility by reopening. If something goes wrong, try enabling advanced or developer views, check file permissions, or open the file in a different viewer. These steps often expose elements one tool missed. That single troubleshooting tip will save you time when hiding persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.